So, you want to speed art? Well, go get Keanu Reeves and make him draw something. Hey guys, welcome back to TutsByKai. I'm Kai, and today we are back once again. I'm doing a little bit of drawing today, because you guys seem to love the art videos. I'm doing more art videos. I love doing them. We're drawing Aang from the best thing ever created, Avatar The Last Airbender. My favorite show in the entire world, and I thought it'd be kind of fun. You know, people do those art challenges here on YouTube. They do like the A is for Aang, you know, B is for whatever, C is, and they go all the way through the alphabet. I thought that'd be kind of fun to do. I don't know. We'll see. I don't know how far we'll get. I don't know if we're gonna complete the alphabet. If you guys enjoyed, then we'll definitely do that. But just for today, we're doing A for Aang. And I just wanted to talk about some stuff about my art in general and about art itself. So a lot of people ask me about my style. It kind of changes up and switches up depending on how I'm feeling that day, or you know what the piece is in general. But it's typically the same kind of thing. You can probably pick it out. I have two major styles that I believe I consistently do, which is this kind of style, which I've done many times in the past. Minor things are different, but as a whole, it's pretty much the same. And then I have a more cartoony, kind of cutesy style, which is the style that I animate in. So it's kind of like more circular heads, circular eyes, and then like just, you know, lines for bodies. Like curved lines for bodies. And I use the two interchangeably. Usually, like I said, I only do the cutesier style for animating, and then I'll do this style for like regular art. But it switches up, and it's gonna keep switching up until, you know, I find something that I 100% like, or just it's always gonna switch up just because that's just how I am. But yeah, so I'm still you know, working on things and still trying to get things the way that I like them, because there's a couple of things about the style that I'm not too crazy about. But yeah, so that's my style in general. It's gonna change. It's gonna switch up a little bit every here and there. So don't worry about it. It's like, oh, that's different than before. Yeah, it's gonna be a little different. but yeah. So next thing, I spent so much time trying to figure out a pose, and I've talked about not giving up before and just pushing through and keep trying new things until you find something that you like that works. Because when you start out, you could hate the entire thing, and then by the time you're finished, you could love it. It could be like the best thing you've ever drawn. And that's kind of what happened today. I kind of skipped through all of the stuff in the beginning. I was doing this for about 45 minutes before this video that you're watching right now has started. And I was trying out all these different poses, full body shots and everything else, and I just didn't like it. I didn't think it was working the way that I wanted it to, so I kind of just kept doing things, you know, that I knew might not have been the best, just so I could get to the better stuff. Because I knew that as long as you keep going, you keep pushing through the stuff that you don't like the best, you're gonna get to something that you're like, oh, that's nice, I like that, eventually. So that was a big thing for this one right here. I just want to reinforce that. So like I said, don't give up when you're drawing things. If I would have done that, I would have stopped like a half an hour in, because I didn't like anything that I was doing, and then I hit this pose and I was like, that's the one. So yeah, just wanted to reinforce that. Also, I'm gonna once I start doing the color, I'm gonna start shading very slightly. Cell shading. I don't like regular shading. I hate it. I actually hate regular shading in art. I just do. I don't know why. I hate it so much. I don't like it whatsoever. I just don't. I don't know why, but I don't. So I only typically do cell shading. I'm gonna try and see if I can start doing some regular shading for you guys, because a lot of you guys have been asking me about it. I do it. I've done it in the past. I just don't like it. I just like a more clean, kind of simple thing. But I'm gonna start probably doing actual shading videos soon. On top of, I might even try to implement some type of mixture into my actual style. I don't know. We'll see. Like I said, it's going to switch up a little bit here and there. But yeah, I'm just getting the arrows in right now, which is, of course, the core of Aang's design here. I just love this show so much, and I don't want to, because I can go on about this for literal weeks at a time. I could do this for days and never stop, but I just love this show so much. And ironically enough, there's a lot of people on the channel here on TutsByKai that a lot of viewers actually like Avatar too, which is pretty cool. I didn't know that. A lot of people were like, hey, I love this, and I was like, wait, I love this. You love this? We're the same. We're best friends. But yeah, so a lot of people like it, which is really cool. Just want to shout out to my Avatar people. But yeah, I just love it so much, and I figured this would be the best. And of course, You know, once we do the other letters of the alphabet, it's all gonna be Avatar characters for the letters that correspond. So K is gonna be Katara, S is gonna be Sokka, T for Toph. You know, you get it. You get how it's gonna go here. Okay. But yeah, I have to kind of plan out the other letters, I guess, if we're gonna do like B, C, D, and E, and whatnot. Because I don't know, I can't come up with a B character off the top of my head. I can't really. I'm gonna have to think about that. But yeah. So a little bit of shading. I typically don't do shading because I don't like it. I like the super flat style. But yeah. So that's it. That's pretty much all for Aang. Took me around 40-ish minutes, I guess. Which is way too long. I just spent too much time sketching because I just got lost. I got lost because I got lost in his eyes. I just started playing around. But yeah, so hope you ladies and gentlemen enjoyed it. I will see you in the next one. But until then, bye-bye.